Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite Canadian dishes called poutine. It is very comforting. It is french fries with cheese curds and gravy, and I'm going to show you how to make it my way. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for today. Special shout out to my friend Chantel from Foodie Beauty. Please don't forget to follow me on social media. The links are in the description box, and also subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of my new uploads. Okay, so I'm heating here my cast iron skillet on high. And I'm going to add my oil. And here I have some chuck roast that I cut up. And this is like 1.5 pounds. And this is at room temperature. So I'm going to put the cut up roast into the pan here. And I'm going to let this sit in the pan and cook for just a moment. Beef brown a little bit, then just flip it. Just doing like a quick sear. Size of this, a good sear, and I'm going to add a onion that I roughly chopped. I have a little bit of coriander, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and salt. We're using garlic powder because you don't want to have pieces of garlic to bite into, because you're going to make a gravy at the end. Just going to give everything a quick mix. My oven is preheated at 450 degrees. So after giving everything a quick toss, we're going to add the water. And we're going to allow this to come to a boil. Okay, so this will come to a boil. I'm going to give it one more stir. And I'm going to put the lid on this. And this is going to go in the oven for... It's going to go in the oven for about 2.5 hours. Okay, so I'm melting some butter, but I wanted to show this is the beef. This is 2.5 hours later. And you see this is very tender. And I drained all the fat from this. All that extra juice and everything. I'm going to add the flour. And then I'm going to brown the butter. Use the butter to brown the flour. So I'm going to mix all this flour until it's completely smooth, and I'm working on high heat. And I'm going to just cook this until this becomes a nice chestnut brown color. Okay. So I'm going to add the beef stock and whisk vigorously just to make sure the flour remains smooth. And I'm going to add some onions. I love onions, so even more onions. I'm not going to add any salt because we use the beef broth or beef stock. So I'm going to add some black pepper. Mix in black pepper. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to return the cut up beef here. So we're going to return all the beef. If this gets a little bit too thick, then add a little bit more water to it, or more stock, which I think that's all of it. So I'm going to cover this and let this go for about 15 minutes. So I looked everywhere for cheese curds, so I couldn't find any cheese curds. So I have some white cheddar cheese, and I have some seasoned fries. So if you have cheese curds, this will be your cheese curds. And then I'm going to top it with our gravy and beef. Okay, here's the poutine. I want to give a shout out to my friend Foodie Beauty because this is a Canadian dish. I hope I did it justice. I couldn't find the cheese curds. But you guys, I hope you guys try this recipe and enjoy it. And if you want to make this vegetarian, you know, you can use any type of vegetarian crumble and and use your cheese curds. And if you want to make this vegan, of course, just use everything vegan. So here it is. Should give you guys a good view. Absolutely delicious. and definitely very comforting. Really delicious. The beef is perfect. The cheese and the gravy, and of course the potatoes. Absolutely delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe and enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share this video if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment if you have any, or if you have a request, leave your request. I want to give a special shout out to Happy Bird. Thank you for getting my measuring cups. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate everyone who has ordered items from my Amazon wish list. I appreciate the support so much. Let's remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together as one. Thank you for watching.